Okay, everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install the VPS from ForexVPS.net. First, you're going to get an email like this, okay? You're going to have an email, and it's going to say, it's going to have your IP, your main IP import. So it's the main IP right here, and then this is your port. Please include the 42014 port when you're connecting. Then it's going to have your username and your password, okay? All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to go to Remote Desktop, all right? Okay, remote desktop connection, and it's going to give me that, and I'm going to go ahead and put the port in there. Okay, and then I'm going to highlight the password, copy that, come back to it. All right, show options. The username is going to be trader, all lowercase, trader, lowercase. Okay, all right, I'm going to save those credentials, connect. That's going to ask me for the password. I'm going to click and put the password in there. It's going to ask me for this certificate right here. It's going to say the certificate is not valid. Now, right now, I'm just going to, you can click a check right here. If it won't ask you again, I'm going to leave it there in case I have to redo the video. Okay, now that logs me into my VPS. Okay, once you get that email, it takes roughly 15-20 minutes for your VPS to come active. Most people, get the VPS, they'll get the email and think they can log right in. Well, normally it takes about 15 to 20 minutes for the VPS to go active. Okay, so that's how you do that.